In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new calendar in Google Calendar using your computer. Whether you need to keep track of a busy schedule, manage a team, or organize personal events, setting up a separate calendar can really help streamline your daily routine and keep everything in order. First, let's get started by opening Google Calendar on your computer. You can easily do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your favorite web browser. Once you've arrived at the Google Calendar interface, you'll notice a panel on the left side of your screen. This pane is crucial because it holds all your current calendars, from your personal ones to shared group calendars. Locate the section labeled Other Calendars on this panel. You'll notice it's right towards the bottom of the left-hand side. It's a handy feature where you can see calendars shared with you or add new ones. Next to Other Calendars, you should see a small plus sign. Go ahead and click on this plus sign. This is your gateway to adding more calendars. A drop-down menu will appear, providing different options relating to calendars you might want to add or create. Since we're focusing on creating a brand new calendar, select the option that says Create New Calendar. This action takes you to a new page where you can specify details for your calendar, such as its name and description. Now, a unique name that's descriptive yet concise can be exceptionally helpful, especially if you plan on juggling multiple calendars. Perhaps it's a work calendar, a family sharing calendar, or maybe even a calendar for a special project. Be sure to name it something that clearly reflects its purpose. Once you've settled on a name, it's time to think about the description. While this part is optional, adding a brief description can provide clarity and purpose, especially when sharing this calendar with others. It might include details about who will use the calendar, how frequently it's updated, or what kinds of events it will track. Complete this step by scrolling down and clicking on the Create Calendar button to finalize your new addition. You will see a brief notification confirming that your calendar has been successfully created. And just like that, you're done. As simple as it sounds, setting up a new calendar in Google Calendar can make a world of difference in staying organized and efficient. Your new calendar will now appear under the My Calendar section, ready to be customized with events, reminders, or shared with others as needed. Feel free to explore the customization options available to you. Whether moving events or adjusting settings, personalizing your calendar can immensely improve how you manage your time. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope you find it helpful in achieving better organization through Google Calendar. Enjoy your newfound efficiency.